Now you get fired, you get into my guard now. Now he's punching, now become the problem. You see? So hit, so now it become problem. Now we got to get into this fine movement. Yeah? Yes, sir. So that's where we're going to be end up. Yeah, and then when you get to this kind of movement now, when I'm breaking the neck here, I got to attack his eyes. Now, fight back. Grab his eye. Grab his nut. Now I'm here. Yes, sir. So now I'm going to be fully control him in here. Okay? Now, if he tense on, now I can't pull. Okay? Pain compliant. Pain compliant in. Pain compliant in. Yeah? Now attack his eye. You see what I mean? Because now grab your 10, hold your hand in. I can't fight from here. See, now he locked. I'm not going to want to fight from there. I'm going to go like this. I go like this. You see what I mean? Because I cannot fight him. We don't do this kind of thing. We do street. And I don't have time to mess around it. Onto the eye, onto your nut, rip it out and break your arm, go home. Okay. So you have to be able to change from one to another in a minute. Yeah, to each one. So we can flow around it. Otherwise, the problem arises.
Gotcha.
Abandon. Okay, now change your hand. Good. Use the other hand to come out. Use that hand. Now you haven't controlled this side, did it? You didn't control the side. That's okay. Okay. All the way up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now when he's still moving here, looking for his thumb. Thumb. Oh. Now the problem. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Now they're going to be more skilled.